So Samsung's finally getting serious about a trifold phone. And honestly, it's about time, right? They've been leading the foldable game for years, but somehow never pulled the trigger on a triple fold. Sure, we saw prototypes, but they never actually pushed for a commercial trifold release. Now, we're hearing it's called the Galaxy G Fold, and after Huawei showed off their Mate XT, it feels like Samsung's ready to fire back. But here's where it gets interesting. A bunch of rumors are flying around. First off, it might not launch everywhere, probably staying limited to South Korea and China. Yeah, Samsung, the same company that usually makes sure every corner of the planet gets their new toys, might actually keep this one exclusive. If that happens, it would definitely be disappointing. And timing? Rumors are heating up that we could see it as soon as July, which honestly makes sense because Samsung usually throws their big foldables party unpacked in the summer. They're already expected to drop the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 then, so sliding in a teaser for the trifold would be pure chef's kiss, kind of like how they gave a sneak peek of the Galaxy S25 Edge earlier this year, just enough to get everyone hyped without giving it all away. Back in February, it was reported that component procurement and mass production would kick off in April 2025. If anyone knows what the current status is, that would be nice to hear. Now let's talk about the part everyone's dying to know, the screen. You'd think Samsung would go bigger and crazier than Huawei, but nah. According to leaks, the Galaxy G Fold's main screen might actually be a little smaller. Huawei's Mate XT, when fully unfolded, stretches out to a massive 10.2 inches. The Galaxy G Fold, we're hearing around 9.9 inches. Not a huge difference, but still enough that people are noticing. Probably an AMOLED panel, maybe with ultra-thin glass and a high refresh rate. Pretty much standard for Galaxy foldables now. Previous rumors also point to a 6.49-inch AMOLED cover display. No stylus support though, since the main panel reportedly skips the digitizer to stay thinner, so no S Pen compatibility. As for cameras, we don't know much yet, but no under-display camera this time. Samsung even patented a multi-hinge foldable battery to fit the design. The phone could use a single battery cell, potentially offering longer battery life without adding bulk. But with silicon batteries on the rise, that could change everything. Leaks suggest charging speeds will be capped at around 25 watt, same as the Z Fold 6. With its high cost and limited production, the Galaxy Trifold might stay more of a luxury device as Samsung tests the waters with multi-fold tech. Of course, nothing's official yet, but man, this summer could get real interesting. With that being said, we are at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.